All right, guys, I just want to show you, right? I want to show you. I said I'm not going to be able to be doing updates. I wanted to do this for my students because we are starting a phase, so I wanted them to understand that slow and steady wins the race. So because of them, that's why I'm doing this update, majorly because of the people that are subscribed to the S Robots. Now, if you're trying to subscribe, please till next year. Right now, I'm not accommodating people because next week I'm going on break. So I want to show you the update so far, right? Okay, I think I did an upgrade about this account yesterday, so I want to show you what it has done. You can see the account is now $674. I'm not the one trading on it, seriously, but I am still the one trading though, because the robot is using me, my strategy, the way I trade to trade. So it's the things I've done in past that has been recorded that is now happening. You can see clear trades. 16 today is 16. How many trades are you seeing? 16. Are you seeing it? Okay, can you see 15? Okay, I need you to see 15, right? See 15. Now see 16. Now this guy did a double trade. Okay, today he did double target. He did double target today, and it started around 16. It started around that's 12 o'clock. That's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Yes, it started around 1 o'clock. 16 started around 1 o'clock. From 1 o'clock, from 16 started counting. You can see all the trades it did. Now this is not just one index. This is 75 index. I'm just trying to make you see some of the trades so that you understand. 75 index. I think it's the same one I've clicked. This is the same one I've clicked. It's 75 index. Okay, let me click on the first one. 25 1x. Okay. This is 75 index. I hope you're seeing them. These are trades it did today. You can see this one is 1 tick. It's 10 index. Are you seeing it? Now these are all done by robots. Okay, they are all done by robots. I didn't trade them. Now I need you to understand there's a difference between a bot and a robot. A bot is a program that is stipulated to be trading in a particular format, right? A robot is something you program to have artificial intelligence. It can be edited, it can be synchronized to behave like a human being, right? Now the robot trades the way I trade, that I have been trading for years. So the question is the way I trade, is it profitable? If it's not profitable, my brother, I'm not going to still be in the business. So this guy did 8 trades all today, and they were all wins. So he didn't have any losses at all. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 trades and all wins. So it made 120%. So meaning it made $120 today low. Yes, that means 60,000 naira. If you don't understand, it makes sense, right? Okay, so it's still growing. Where it is growing, this is I think day 4. Yeah, this is day 4. Yeah, day 4 it has already made 100% of the capital, right? Now where we're going is actually 10 days. So it has done 4. It remains 6. So when it does finish the 10 days, and if it's able to make 60 times 10, that's 600, right? If it's able to make $600 or $500, $400, it is good. We will now move to the next phase. Then it will start trading with $200. What's up, dollar alpha? So guys, I'm just showing you the update. Remember, this is just majorly because of my student who are using the robot to let you know. Now there are days it traded and it experienced losses. So don't think every day is going to be profit alpha. See my baby dollar. See yourself. Look at yourself. Are you see yourself? Small but mighty. Okay, you can see minus 86%, right? $86. So there are days it's going to have wins and losses. So I've already covered that. So you need to understand. It's not going to be all roses, right? But little. Tomorrow now it's going to do trades on its own again. I don't bother to check. I only check to see the results. You are feeling the screen already. Okay, guys. So see you another video. All right. Keep it slow and steady. If you want to, by the way, if you want to test how our signal works, the signal that this bot is trading is available on the TMNMedia app. Download from Play Store, and you can also get started with a free 14 days trial. Just give it a trial and start making $10 every day. God bless you. See you in another video.